Welcome to IVTN's Good Morning World. The American forces started slowly withdrawing from Afghanistan, leaving behind the people, and the Afghan military, which is ill-equipped and without having any strategy to counter the Taliban, in the backyard of terrorism. American forces are retreating. This is not a good sign, and this is also not a good strategy. It may look sound strategy for America for saving its soldiers' life and taxpayers' money. At the same time, one should know that it is America that has launched a war in 2001 against the Taliban when the World Trade Tower was pulled down. That time they were hunting for Osama bin Laden, and that time the Taliban force was the rulers of Afghanistan. Today again Taliban is coming back without being destroyed or without being enervated, without being weakened by so many years of war by the sophisticated NATO and American forces. What does it mean to the rest of the world? The world says that even though air power of NATO or American forces, sophisticated weapons and training are not going to gain any momentum in this world when a guerrilla war takes place, because guerrillas like Taliban has got a lot of sophisticated weapons and operational theory that would easily defeat and allow the forces of any army to lick mud in this most sophisticated and communication advanced war field. And what is happening now? Now the people of Afghanistan is under the threat and the cloud of fear of being humiliated, cannibalized by Taliban, unless until the Shariat law which they are going to impose on the Afghani people. How did it happen? Because it happened when America sponsored Taliban as an institution, first Islamic terror group was trained and funded by the America, and CIA now has become the mother of Islamic terrorism, and even it is one of the most lethal and sophisticated guerrilla fighters in the Islamic world. The only problem is that the rest of the terror groups which are operating both in the Pakistan border and Hamas or other areas are or were being taken inspiration and strategies and mirrored by the Taliban operational style against the Soviet army. Now what happened, even in the American army has been defeated by the same Taliban which has defeated the Soviet army so many years ago. In this, what the world is going to see is that now Afghanistan as a nation and the Afghan people all are going to be under the cloud and of the threat of Taliban once again, and it is not going to end in the next century, one can say, because there is no one is going to take the war in their hands to save the life of Afghanis. India was kept outside of the whole negotiation when the Taliban and America have done, keeping Pakistan as a mediator. In that context, Pakistan is going to gain the advantage, getting more influence and decision making in the policy of Afghanistan in the coming days, and the American government at present working will disappear and fall, and most of the leaders may be even killed by the Taliban, the way they have done into the Najibullah so many years ago. He had gone into the UN headquarters, UN office in Afghanistan, and was hiding there, but they have thrown him out. They have occupied the Afghan campus and taken him, beaten him, and killed him. And now these Afghans, next the Najibullah's family, right now living in India as a refugee or a guest, state guest, whatever we call them. So what we are going to see, Afghanistan is not going to have a peace in the next 100 years. Pakistan is not going to allow any kind of a peace or a civil government which is elected by the people of Afghanistan in the near future, because it will hurt Pakistan's interest. And now Pakistan has got two borders, Pakistan border and Afghan border, around India, and they consider India is their arch enemy. It is not China or any other country or their arch enemy. In that context, Pakistan has got mileage, and Pakistan is going, and ISI is going to be the mentor of the next Taliban government, which is going to be launched or which is going to be installed anytime by now in a 1 year time, as because almost 50 cities of Afghanistan already taken over by the Taliban, and government army of Afghanistan running away because they are ill-equipped, they don't have confidence, they don't have morale, they are scared of this sophisticated Taliban. And obviously one can see the Afghan government will fall very soon, and Taliban government will come, Shariat will be imposed, the people will go under burqa and Taliban rule. Those who are defying, they will be shot at point blank, and Afghani's days are in the dark age in the coming days, and the whole world is going to witness this problem. But one thing one should know very clear, that it was America founded and trained Taliban, the first terror group in the Islamic world, and now it has become a threat to the world peace, and it will not going to end very soon. And we wish best of luck for the Afghani people and the civil government. However, we also anticipate a Taliban government within few months, and they will take over, and they will take over even the protection army, everything. Most of the commanders which has been working under the civil government of Afghanistan and America are going to be killed, or they will run away from Afghanistan to some other countries. There are so many possibilities. So with this, we are ending this week's IVTN's Good Morning World. Have a nice day. At the same time, please subscribe our channel, because we give a different views which other channels never give you, because we give many opinion based on the circumstantial evidence which is not visible for other news channels. And thank you for subscribing our channel. Have a nice day.